Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with these two pot holders that I got at Dollar General. They were $1 each. I'm going to cut the price tags off, and then I'm also going to cut off the tags on the inside, and I did that on both of them. Once I had those cut off, I'm going to take and I'm going to lay them back to back against each other, making sure that they're nice and even all the way around. And then I'm just going to slowly start to glue all the way around, and I did it about halfway up on the bottom part of it. So I only went up to like the notch in the star on either side on the bottom. I'm just kind of slowly peeling it up, getting the glue on there, and then pressing it down. And I'm going to repeat that process on the other side as well. I went up to like the point on that star, so it wasn't the notch, it was to the point. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just going all the way around, making sure that I'm evenly gluing all the way around and evenly gluing them on the sides where I stop on the points. So once I have that all on there, I'm just going to take and flip back that part on the front. Just kind of making sure that that's nice and smooth on the inside. I'm going to add a bunch of hot glue and then press that down. So I don't want it to pop back up. So I made sure that the fabric was nice and like flattened on the inside so that it's not just all bulgy. I'm going to hold that for a second, let that dry, and then I'm going to lift it up and then glue a little bit more where it didn't get fully glued. And I'm just going to kind of press down and hold that for a few minutes while that fully sets to make sure that that glue is fully dry. Once I have that fully dry, I'm going to take this button that I have. It's shaped as a star and it's white. And I'm also going to grab a piece of twine. So I'm going to take a piece of twine and push it through both sides of the buttonhole. And then I am going to tie it in a knot on the front. Just trying to give the button a little extra something. You could even put a piece of ribbon through. I think this would be really cute if you could put like a piece of red ribbon through it or red twine to kind of give a pop of red to it. They also have the red pot holders. So instead of the blue, you would get red. And I also bought those too. And then I'm going to cut off where that hanger is here on the front that hangs the pot holder, as you can see on the other one. And I'm just going to kind of glue that little piece of fabric back over the top of the thing so that it's not hanging down on the bottom. And making sure that I have it all enough cut back that the star will cover it. And then I'm just going to glue that right over where that hanger was. Once I have that all glued on there and held into place, I'm just going to take some greenery that I had and I'm going to fill inside of this little pocket that we've made in the pot holder. So as you can see, it's kind of got like a little bit of a pocket, and now I'm just going to fill that with some greenery. You could use whatever florals you have or greenery that you have or whatever you want to put in there. I just really like the way that the greenery looked. And that is it. This project is finished. How simple and super cute is this? I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos. And I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell.